Good morning, guys. It's H2O. What's up, you guys? It's Godox Phone. Just got back to anything for questions and anything. Say, wait, now you guys have just heading to work, so I'll tell you guys when we get to work. So this morning we are going to start the buses a little bit earlier than normal. I'm so tired, but it's okay. I'm gonna be really happy and stuff. So that's what's going on, you guys. My dispatch is a little bit stressing out a little bit of what's going on. Today we are running all buses, so that is what's going on. But there's a park out that's somewhere else, like about 45 minutes, and he probably cannot come in because there's a barricade. Which I don't understand that one bit, why we have parkouts, and she doesn't understand that either. So that's what's going on, you guys. What are you doing, Grace? Are you balancing? Be careful with that one, okay? So this is just trying to climb on me because he's silly. See, he's a silly goose. He's a silly goose. Silly goose, silly goose, silly goose. You good? I'm having some pesto. So I'm gonna have to HDR because I sure less upset, guys. To give it a big thumbs up. Good night.